Alright, today we're going to be changing the engine oil on a Briggs Stratton V-Twin engine. Now this is a 656cc, but this should be the same process for 724cc 44 cubic inch engines as well. And put on many different brands of riding mowers and zero turns. So let's get into it. First of all, make sure your unit's parked on a level surface. Then we'll go ahead and start the engine and idle it for a few minutes to warm up the oil. Now, keep in mind everything's going to be hot, so use caution there. We'll go ahead and remove the ignition key, and then we'll pull the spark plug wires. That way there's no way it can accidentally start. Alright, now right here there's a 5/16 inch screw we need to remove so that we can pop out this guard here to access the drain port. And now you can see this plastic here just slides right out. Now we'll go ahead and put cardboard down just to make sure if there's a spill it doesn't affect the ground. Also make sure you have plenty of towels handy. Now I'll just go ahead and clean this up. Next we'll take the drain container, make sure it can hold at least 2 quarts. Now we'll crack the dipstick. You can see that made the flow pick up there. Now we'll just clean up the plug here. Get it ready for reinstallation. Now that the oil's done draining, go ahead and clean up the O-ring. Also take a look at it, make sure it isn't cracked or showing signs of extreme wear. Then make sure you turn it that way to lock it on. Alright, now I have you on the left side of the unit, and what I do is I like to put blocks on one side just to help the oil to flow out from the oil filter and not go into the drive belt area. So let's take our 15/16 once again and remove this screw. Now we have access to our oil filter right there. So first of all, I'm just going to clean up this area. It's a bit gunky. Now I'm going to loosen and remove the oil filter. If you need to, you can use oil filter wrench, but this one is loose enough to just loosen by hand. We'll let the oil drain a little bit there. Okay, now let's remove it all the way. And as you can see, absolutely no oil got past right there. So we should just be able to wipe this down and then be good to go. And then we'll just wipe down the mounting surface. Okay, and here's the filter we're going to be using. It is Briggs Stratton part number 492932S. There's also a premium version if you want to use that. I'll leave the links in the description below. And with a clean mounting surface and a clean gasket that's all the way seated, let's oil it up and install it. And now that the gasket's seating, we'll tighten it down about 1/2 to 3/4 of a turn. Right there, just snug. Don't use a tool or anything. Okay, so back on the right side of the engine, I've taken the unit off of the blocks. We want to make sure it's on a completely level surface when we add the oil. And the oil capacity is around 2 quarts. I'm just going to be starting with 1.5. And I'm using 10W30 small engine oil here. Okay, that's about 1.5 quarts. Let's go ahead and check it. Now it is going to be a little bit over because it hasn't circulated through the oil filter. And we're still showing low, so we're safe to go a little bit more. And it's showing a bit over, but I'm going to go ahead and start it and just see if it goes down enough or if I'll have to take a little bit out. Let's go ahead and reconnect the spark plug wires, and then we'll start it up. Okay, now let's check for leaks. Good there. And good there. Now we'll turn the engine off and let it sit for a few minutes so the oil can settle, and then we'll do our final check. While we're waiting for the oil to settle, let's go ahead and reinstall these two panels. There we go. Okay, now that it's been a few minutes, we'll pull out the dipstick, wipe it down, reinsert the dipstick, screw it all the way down, remove it, and inspect the level. And as you can see, we are just above the full line. And this tire is a little bit low, so I'm going to call it good. So that's all there is to changing the engine oil on the Briggs Stratton V-Twin Intek series engine. Thanks for watching.